Hey everyone, if you followed my last video, you know I was building a dye incubator. Well, the hatching moment is here and look at this little bundle of fluff. It's incredible to see them come to life in an incubator I built with my own hands. Hatching day is truly magical. You hear those first little pips, then cracks, and finally these tiny, determined creatures emerge. It's a testament to nature's resilience and the power of controlled environment. But as many of you know, especially if you are in tropical or humid climate like us here in mangrove forest area in Bangladesh, there's always a but. And my but was humidity. It was my biggest challenge, and honestly this is where I made my biggest mistake. The actual humidity for incubation is typically around 55 to 65% for the first 14 days. But mine was more than 70%. Still you can see my humidity is too high. And it's always more than 80% because it's raining season in my country and humidity is not an easy thing to control. I used rice bedding, salt, coal, etc. It didn't help. Because of the natural high ambient humidity here in forest area, I really struggled to keep the internal incubator humidity at the right levels, especially during the first 14 days, but my incubator was constantly reading high. And what happened? Well, it's heartbreaking to say a significant number of chicks drowned into their eggs before they could even hatch. Their lungs filled with fluid because the humidity was so high. It's a common issue and it's a hard lesson to learn. You see fully developed chicks ready to hatch but could not make it out. So now, before my next incubation, I'm installing a fan and putting lots of silica gels to control the humidity. So if you are in a high humidity area and considering building an incubator, please learn from my mistakes. If your humidity is high, focus on keeping the humidity low in the early stages. What is your biggest challenge with incubation? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoy this honest look at my hatching experience, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for the updates of our farm.